This is going to be the Conference Center elevator here at the PA State Farm Show Complex and Expo Center here in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. We have a ThyssenKrupp elevator to ride. Let's go to 2. Second floor. It's got phone recognition down to 1. Door close button doesn't work. We'll get a cabio going down. Pretty basic ThyssenKrupp elevator. Nothing really exciting, other than it runs nice. These are your mat buttons. Capacity is 4,500 pounds. This is elevator number 1. Technically elevator number 13. And you're at 1. There's your ThyssenKrupp elevator logo up there. And here you are back to the McClay Street lobby. That was a nice ThyssenKrupp elevator. There it goes, and that'll be it.